standing here with the golden opportunity to speak few words for our deserving All India Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin. I welcome you all on this grand gathering of this election campaign. It's our fortune to have the President of MIM, Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi sir. I welcome you, sir. Great personalities do not need any introduction, but I would love to introduce about them. I would like to give you a short introduction about the President of MIM, Janab Asaduddin Owaisi sir. Asaduddin Owaisi sir is not only a politician but also a barrister who has completed his law in London. He has supported for Muslim reservation as well as Maratha reservation. He was also awarded as Sansad Ratna Award in 2014. He is also a member of parliament for 3 times. The MIM party was initially a city-based party, regional party in the old city of Hyderabad, but the party won 2 seats in Maharashtra Legislative Assembly elections and it has 1 MLA in Aurangabad and 26 corporators in municipal corporation. Now I would like to give you some information about our MLA Imtiaz Jalil Sahab. As you already know about him, but I would love to show his achievements. Imtiaz Jalil sir has requested the GNCH authorities to reduce the MRI scan from 1800 to 700. He has also requested the government to allot 7 acres land to build a 200-bed hospital for the needy and poor people. The court had directed the state and administration to file a reply within 6 months. On May 11, 2018, Aurangabad had seen a vicious riots where 2 people were died and many shops and vehicles were burned. No other political party or no other leader came in front for the support, but only our MLA and our party MIM came in front and worked and supported the Muslims, and our MLA Imtiaz Jalil Sahab has rebuilt the shops. Our MLA Imtiaz Jalil have initiated a dua bank for the girls and women for their self-employment, why they have the teaching classes, fashion designing, mehendi courses and etc. They also have distributed sewing machines and certificates for the girls who have completed their courses. So please give them a big round of applause. High Court ordered for demolition of Labour Colony area when they have finished the lease time period, and Forge Department and JBC has prepared for their jobs. But at the same time, the only man who stood for the support of Labour Colony area was our MLA Imtiaz Jalil and its corporators. Now, there is a court stay to this order. He has also developed different areas by making street lights, by constructing water lines, constructing roads, health gym. He campaigned against alcohol and tobacco. He has always supported for Muslim reservation. It's my heartfelt thank to you, sir, for supporting us and making our lives more convenient. I also thank the President of MIM, Janab Asaduddin Owaisi sir, who have supported us and made our lives more safe and secure. I thank all the corporators of Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin because they too deserve thanks as they have worked day and night for our betterment. So without wasting much time, I urge you all to vote for the right political party. Vote for our own political party, which have dared to the party and its members always dare to face the challenges and stand with us. It's my humble request to please vote for the most suitable candidate. Can you guess who is it? Yes, absolutely right. The one and only Imtiaz Jalil sir. So vote for right, vote for right. Jazakallah.